compassionate and gracious.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all within me His holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and never forget all His benefits.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
It is the Lord who forgives all our sins, who heals every one of your ills, who redeems your life from the grave, who crowns you with mercy and compassion.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious, slow to anger and rich in mercy. He does not treat us according to our sins, nor repay us according to our faults.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
As far as the east is from the west, so far from us does He remove our transgressions. As a father has compassion on his children, the Lord's compassion is on those who fear Him.
The Lord